How to fix audio cracking in Windows 11. Let's get started. Update audio driver. For that, click on the search bar and type in Device Manager. After it appears, launch it. Expand audio inputs and outputs. Right-click your speaker or headphone device and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer. Select Let me pick from a list. Then select the top option and click Next. Let it install and test your sound. Change power plan. Search for powercfg.cpl and hit enter. Switch to high performance or try balanced. Some users reported success with both. Test your audio again. Method 3. Adjust audio format. Search for mmsys.cpl and hit enter. Select a speaker, click Properties. Then go to the Advanced tab. Try Simple Sample, rates like 24-bit, 48,000 Hz. Hit Test after each one. Pick the one that sounds clean, click Apply, then OK. Processor Power Fix. Search Edit Power Plan and click on it. Go to Change Advanced Power Settings, expand Processor Power Management. Set minimum and maximum processor state to 100%. Click Apply, then OK. That's it. Try out these steps one by one and let me know which one fixed it for you in the comments below. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.